In a world where energy drives progress, one source shines above all: the sun. Limitless, clean, and everlasting. At Summit Energy, we believe the future isn't powered by what we take, but by what we create.
Summit Energy is a company that focuses on renewable energy and products. We believe in empowering people and elevating tomorrow. We primarily help out residential customers, people who are interested in taking good care of the planet, who are interested in reducing costs with energy continuing to go up in price. They're also looking to take advantage of a number of the various tax and other incentives that make it possible for people to invest in these types of solutions. My name is Andy Stone. I'm VP of Information Technology and User Experience here at Summit Energy. Summit Energy was started back in 2016, and almost immediately there were needs for tracking customer-related information. We are selling to new customers. We are managing projects for existing customers. We have warehouse operations. We have project management that sees everything from the initial sale and through permits and all the way into installation, and then finally to getting permission to turn on these systems on customers' homes. And Summit was looking for a solution that was really high value for the cost, customizable, something that would grow with us as our business grew.
Our team members at this time started investigating it, and it looked like it would work. So after the investigation, we decided to give the go-ahead with Zoho, and it's been able to adjust with our business needs, scale with our business.
It's been a great tool for us to add new things here and there. We have everyone from executive leaders to directors to project managers to field sales folks, all of whom really want to understand what the current status of a given deal is at any given time. We have leveraged Zoho to capture more information about all of the various aspects of the deal's progression. We'll add custom fields where necessary or use existing fields in order to collect that information. And then it's also tremendously helpful as an input to all the operational reporting that we do in order to help people see and understand the current status of any given deal.
It's kind of all and everything. CRM is the base of how we treat customers and how we track customers. It is very important for us to give customers the best experience possible, and for that we need knowledge of where the customers are in their journey. And that's where CRM comes in, because it allows us to see exactly where the customer is, what they need, and how can we help them. We have different channels. We have teams that go out canvassing, knock doors. We have teams that make cold calls or communicate by email. We have leads that come through social media. So we have leads coming from almost everywhere. That's where Zoho's openness to integrate comes in, because we have been able to integrate using Zoho's functionality, tools like Flow or RESTful APIs to bring those leads in a standardized way. So we have the same data and we know who they are and we can follow them up when they are in CRM. In my role as business development and analyst, my task is to find out ways to improve things and make things better and make things more automated, do more with less. So automations is a major part of how we use CRM, both inside of Zoho and integrating with other platforms. And workflow functionality allows us to trigger specific events without the intervention of someone that is trying to catch everything that happens and log it manually. For example, if a customer is ready for installation, we trigger a workflow rule to send him a message, to send the solar guide a message when they're ready, so everyone can communicate and help the customer and give them the best experience possible. When the installation team has finished the job, we need that data in the CRM, because we need to let the customer know what's happening. The apps that we've developed and the automations that Zoho allows make it easy for us to bring different data, standardize it, and make it usable for the rest of the teams and many different teams.
We view Zoho as kind of the sun in our solar system of applications. We have a really wide ecosystem with a lot of things that need to fly in tight formation in order to serve our business well.
Zoho's become kind of an ERP system for us, where a lot of our processes are based around Zoho.
In general, something that we have in mind about Zoho, that if we can't do something, it's not because Zoho doesn't have the functionality, it's because we don't know enough about Zoho.
We definitely see Zoho as a vital piece of our growth future, of being able to properly serve our customer base and being able to make the adjustments that we need with our internal processes as we grow and scale and the teams change around, to be able to flex with us as we achieve some of these future growth plans that the business has.